All right, so for the Adult Film Star Martini,
Yeah.
you need some interesting things. So probably not going to be able to make this unless you happen to have Pinaq. I have no idea.
I think that's, I don't know how to say it.
Pomegranate juice. Most people aren't going to have pomegranate juice, but maybe there's a substitute you can recommend. I don't know.
I don't know what season pomegranates grow in, so.
I do. It's this bottle you find in the produce section.
But you, okay.
Yeah. I mean, I guess you could squeeze the juice out of a pomegranate, and
If you want to get all fancy.
that's a lot more work than hunting
is.
at the grocery store.
You're right.
Yeah, okay. So we need 3/4 of an ounce of this stuff.
I don't remember who recommended this to us, but I want to say thank you to her. So I'm saying thank you until I find you.
1 ounce of medium quality vodka.
Tito's vodka is the #1 vodka sold in the United States.
Yeah, but we're Americans. We don't know good vodka. We just know Tito's is fancy.
Okay.
A ridiculous amount of lime juice.
You know, I think you think that any volume of lime juice is ridiculous.
3/4 of an ounce.
Yeah, we've done up to 3 ounces.
1 ounce of simple syrup. Well, that just sweetened up the lime juice.
Yeah?
1 ounce of pomegranate juice.
I love pomegranates, so I'm hoping this is fantastic.
And I believe this recipe came from the Pinaq website, right?
It did. It did. Almost looks like a Cosmo.
It smells good.
Okay.
Adult Film Star Martini from the Pinaq website.
Pinaq knows what they're talking about.
Oh, that's really good.
Mm-hmm.
I normally don't like that much lime juice, but everything else blends together. It's pretty good.
Very good. Yep, this is a sipping glass, a sipping cocktail for your next book hour.